Let's go. Welcome aboard. The mission is to go find the kite. I'm doing 30 degrees on the camera. I'm going about 60 miles per hour right now. 62, 63, 64. Wow.
Oh my god, 70.1 miles per hour.
This is fast. Okay, the kite is here, so let me slow down. Okay, here is the kite. Here is the kite. Oh, it's a beautiful kite. Okay, let's get back. That was nice flying with the kite. Okay, going back now. There's a headwind and it's really making me going really slow, but I'm trying to get here as fast as I can. Going down, and I'm gonna be slowing down and switching to sport mode. Right here, switching. Thanks for watching.